Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to appear offline on the Instagram. So if you don't want people see you online when you are actually online, make it offline. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Instagram. Once you will open it, you have to click on your profile picture on the right bottom. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top and go to the settings. From here, now go to the privacy and now scroll up and you have to search for the activity status. So you have to click on it and you have to turn this off like this. Now no one will be able to see me online on the Instagram. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.